Okay, adventure seekers, today is my first adventure, or I should say, my first in a series of one-day adventures. So I'm going to take you around New Jersey and New York, and I want to show you some amazing things that you can do in one day, and I think you're going to love it. So today's series starts with the Great Falls in Paterson. So okay, adventure seekers, I have had an amazing time at the Great Falls in Paterson. I never knew this existed, and I'm so glad I came. I met a woman, you'll see in the video, or maybe you've seen it in the video, depending on how I edit it. She is a native of Paterson and second generation from Italy, and she gave me the most amazing history lesson, and she was so comical. She was actually the teacher of a couple of the characters from New Jersey Housewives. But anyway, it's so chill, it's so relaxing. I just can't believe this is in our backyard, right? Maybe I should call this series Urban Adventures. I don't know, but it's beautiful, nice walk. Someplace to come solo and chill. If you don't have anyone to come with you, get yourself some flavored ices. This is mango, it's delicious, $3. So good, so good. This is a perfect day. I'm so glad I got out of the house. Everything doesn't have to be a big grand adventure, although I love those. Sometimes it can be a small adventure and it's just as sweet, like this mango. All right, I'll see you on my next one-day adventure. Have a great weekend.